Hello everyone. So in the previous video, we made our wire tool. So now we can make connection between wires. And now in this video, we will make the player able to interact with the devices in the gameplay. So if the player look at some port, he should see the value of this port in UI. Also, if the player look to some power storage or anything related to electricity, he should see something for interaction. So for this, first of all, we should make some device detector. So we should know what the device we are looking at right now. So for doing that, let's go to scripts and let's create a new script. Let's call the script device detector, and let's add the script to our player, and let's start coding this script. So actually it's similar to port detection in the wire tool, but in this time we will not detect some port, we will detect an electric unit. So if you remember, when we built this system, we made a base class, and this base class has a very important mission. So right now, when I will detect anything, I will detect the electric unit. So with the same detection code, I will detect the port and the power storage, also the power source. It will be stored as an electric unit. And if you remember, inside the electric unit script, we had we have created some virtual functions. So when we uh, call override this function inside a port or inside a power storage, we will call the same function, but we will have a different behavior. You'll understand what I mean when we finish coding this device detector. So let's go to the device detector script, go to player, and from here. Yeah, so first of all, I need to electric unit, and let's name this detected unit. I need also some detecting range. Let's give it an initial value like 5. Uh, let's create a new function, public void handle detect devices. So first of all, I need to create array, and this array will be from our camera to our camera's forward direction. So new array camera dot main dot transform dot position, and the direction will be camera dot main dot transform dot forward. Let's create a raycast hit so we can store the hidden object data. And here, if physics dot raycast, let's assign our ray out hit, and let's use our detecting range. So if you are right now inside this if statement, that means we are detecting something, but also we should make sure that the thing we are detecting right now is an electric unit. So hit dot uh, transform dot get try get component, sorry, try get component. We should make sure that this object has an electric unit, And let's get this unit out. Let's call this unit. So now we are making array. We are ray casting this ray, and if we detecting something, we make sure that this thing uh, has an electric unit script, and if it has, we are taking this component and store it in unit variable so we can use it. So right here we should make some checks. So if the detected unit is if this unit is equal to this unit, that means you are detecting the same device we have detected already in the previous frame. So if they are equal, we need to return. So if detected unit is equal to unit, in this case we should return. And if it's not, that means you are detecting this device for the first time. So we should assign it. So detected unit is equal to unit. And here we will call some function, which is a virtual function. We need to detected unit dot on detected. And right here, I should add an else. We will get inside here if you are detecting something, but it's not an electric unit. So in this case, I need make sure that this variable is empty. So if detected unit is not null, that means previously we have detected something, but we are not right now we are not detecting anything. So in this case, I should make the detected unit null. Also, I need to make the same thing right here. So we are getting inside this if we detecting something. But if we are not detecting anything, and in the previous frame we have already detected a device, we should also make it null. Okay, so right now, oh, don't forget to call this function in update. But let's go to onDetected function. Right now we have this virtual function. Actually, we are not overriding this function in any way. So for now, let's try to use this function without any override. Let's say debug.log error. Let's just write a message. We will say detected, and we will use the unit name. So detected uh, plus unit name. Go back to Unity. Let's make sure that all these devices has a name right here because it's empty. Let's call this power storage. Let's call this wind turbine. And let's name the ports. Let's call this an output port. Let's call this also an output port, and we will call this an input port. Very good. So let's start our game. And if we look to some port, we will have an error, not a real error. We we have detected an output port, and if you look to uh, other port, it's also an output port, and here it's an input port. And if you recognize, we cannot detecting these objects because they don't have any collider. So let's add a collider for them so we can detect them and interact with them. This will be fine. So let's start the game again. And right here we are detecting a wind turbine. But right now, actually, we are not uh, using the benefit of being virtual because we are making the same behavior. But in the next video, we'll start to override this function, and then you will understand the power of virtual functions. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.